about 8 to 9% average gradient, somewhere in there. Let's see how this goes. And on our way up, this is the steepest point, about 12%. On to VELAR, 100%, 20 miles an hour up this thing. Just trying to find a spot up here where it's not so windy. It's really cold. It's probably about, like, with wind chill, probably about 40 degrees. And it is just blasting. I almost got blasted right off the road coming up to Donner Summit. Again, this is like 8 to 14% grade for about 4 miles. And I got up. Cold temperatures, super windy, right in my face. 30% battery on the ONSRA VELAR. This is probably one of the most challenging climbs that this board will see, other than like actually on a mountain fire road or something like that, where the inclines get a lot more, like at Squaw Valley. But super impressed. I'm up here. The weather's not super great, but I'm gonna keep going down. I'm gonna go to Sugar Bowl area and just kind of explore over there, because that's what you do on an electric skateboard, I feel, is you explore your terrain, and it's just so great ability to hop off and walk around. So let's do that. Alright, we are at Donner Summit, 7,088 feet, and we are going to head back down, because whatever you go up, you also come back down. So, let's see how much battery I can regen on our way down. I'm also at 60% battery, so if I get to the bottom, see how much battery the VELAR's got. Well, we are down at the bottom, and my battery is still 60%. I thought for for sure I gained like 5% at least. So that kind of blows. Donner Lake, the little trail. Pretty sweet. Good time. These 200 mil tires do really well. It's a little loose, but enough traction. If I got bigger knobs, probably lose some range. And so far, with the big climb I've been going, I just hit 15 miles, and I still have 45% battery. Pretty solid, I would say, for sure. So I'm just gonna take the road back around Donner Lake, and well, thank you for joining me on this windy, blustery, cold day up here in Tahoe, in Truckee. Up to Donner Summit, and then back down around Donner Lake, and now behind me is beautiful Donner Lake, and I am done on the on-road for today. I have 25% battery left. I went 19.3 miles in an hour. That is it for right now. I am probably not even coming through this bike. It's probably not picking up any